In today's fast-paced, ever-evolving world, one name connects it all. Welcome to Leviton Network Solutions. As a leading global manufacturer of innovative copper and fiber end-to-end cabling systems, we help create the infrastructure that drives the networks of tomorrow. Our solutions are built to deliver the highest return on your infrastructure investment. At Leviton, you are the heart of every innovation. We don't just support your network, we empower it to meet today's needs and embrace tomorrow's possibilities. With seamless support from concept to completion. With expertise in emerging technologies, applications, and trends, our engineers, logistics specialists, and service teams work alongside you every step of the way, ensuring flawless execution and long-term success. Leviton's global manufacturing presence ensures fast delivery and unmatched quality at scale. With our vertically integrated approach, our core solutions are manufactured and tested in-house, delivering unmatched quality and reliability for your network. As a global leader, Leviton Network Solutions achieved carbon neutrality in 2023, and our ambition is to reach net zero by 2050. We not only lessen our own impact, but we empower our customers to do the same. At Leviton, we deliver complete end-to-end copper and fiber solutions, ensuring every part of your network works seamlessly together, providing reliability in the most demanding environments. From hyperscale data centers to smart buildings, Leviton is helping to build a better connected world. Leviton Network Solutions is your partner in building what's next, engineering the cabling and connectivity of tomorrow, today.